Hi everyone, Alice here, your monthly product updates host and product marketing manager at Pentest-Tools.com. There are a lot of fresh product highlights since we last saw each other, and I'm eager to dive in. New year, new features, new improvements, let's go! Surfacing critical vulnerabilities with high precision is our goal with the network scanner. That's why it now generates critical findings for vulns with a CVSS v3 score over 9, helping you prioritize and address urgent threats faster. Of course, both coverage and depth are important. We've just added detections for this CVE, a remote code execution vulnerability in Ivanti Connect Secure. Check it out in our vulnerability and exploit database. Sniper Auto Exploiter, our proprietary offensive tool, comes with an expanding arsenal for proving exploitability for high-risk widespread CVEs. Just look at these new vulns for which you can get proof of exploitation, including 2 CyberPanel RCEs, the arbitrary file read and write vulns in Cleo Harmony, VLTrader and LexiCom, and an authentication bypass in ProjectSand. And remember, if Sniper can exploit it, our network scanner can detect it. We've made one of the top 3 Pentest-Tools.com favorites even faster, 50% faster. Without compromising on quality, our Subdomain Finder gets results much quicker for deep scans because we've optimized how fingerprinting tools load. Besides finding critical vulnerabilities in web apps, our proprietary website scanner automatically validates them to get rid of false positives. More high-accuracy detections are here. Detect insecure deserialization in Ruby-based applications with our active module, and identify Python pickle objects, now with an out-of-band deserialization method to keep your production environment safe. Wondering what else you can detect with our website scanner? Just filter by tool name in our vulnerability database. Recon just got a real-time boost. People Hunter lets you discover email addresses and social media profiles starting from a web application for a more accurate attack surface assessment. Now the tool shows results in real time as the crawler works through the target, and external query results appear as soon as the scan starts. Go and try it out. We first developed Pentest Robots so you can chain multiple tools into custom automatic testing flows. Now they just got simpler. You can start a scan directly from the Pentest Robots page, targeting multiple assets in one go. Effortless and efficient. It's easier and quicker to troubleshoot scheduled scans. You can now see exactly when your last scheduled scan didn't run successfully, right from the scheduled scans page. To help you troubleshoot, we've created a support article with all the common causes and how to fix them. Your toolkit is looking sharper and sharper. We've rolled out visual updates for scan results in the Port Scanner, Subdomain Finder, Domain Finder, URL Fuzzer, and Virtual Host Finder. Enjoy a cleaner interface for faster insights at a glance. As someone who's always on the hunt for ways to push systems to their limits, LDAPNightmare opens the door to exploiting these critical CVEs. Our researchers have written a detailed technical guide so you can test your Active Directory resilience. It includes step-by-step exploitation mechanics and practical mitigation tips. Read it and share it with your research team. That's all for now. Try these updates and let us know what you think. Until next time, happy hacking!